THEON International is a leading developer and manufacturer of man-portable night vision, thermal imaging and electro-optical systems for defense and security applications with global footprint. THEON Group started its operations in 1997 from Athens, Greece, and since then has established itself as a leading force in the global market. THEON Group has an international office network in the US, Germany, Switzerland, Denmark, 2 offices in the UAE and Singapore, and co-production and system maintenance partnerships in Brazil, the US, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, South Korea and Indonesia. THEON owns 2 state-of-the-art production facilities in Athens, serving its customers in 68 countries worldwide, 24 of which are NATO members. THEON also operates a production plant in Wetzlar, Germany, which is a joint venture together with Hensel Electronics, and a production capacity in Plymouth, Michigan, which is operated by its partner EOTech. THEON's main factory is in Athens, close to the Athens International Airport. The main factory covers an area of 8,300 square meters, split over 2 buildings, which hosts a highly skilled workforce of around 310 people. The facility's size and setup supports the expected continuous growth of THEON over the coming years. THEON's production setup has the capacity to facilitate the entire engineering and production process, from initial research, design and product development, prototyping and testing, to product industrialization, as well as customer and product support. This approach enables THEON to deliver customized solutions in short time while maintaining a cost-effective structure. The company has 13 assembly rooms, 5 of which are clean rooms in which optical assemblies are being produced. The facility also hosts the engineering department, which consists of an experienced team of engineers who are highly skilled experts in their fields, including optical, mechanical, electronic, software, computer vision and AI engineering, as well as system design. Big emphasis is given on assuring the high quality of products. Quality inspection is carried out on all components that are sourced from THEON's international supply chain using state-of-the-art test and measurement equipment, many of which are in-house designed and assembled. THEON's products use 2 distinct technologies, night vision and thermal imaging. Night vision technology is based on image intensification and is used under low-light conditions where ambient light, that is available from sources such as the moon, the stars or street lights, is amplified and projected onto a typical green or black and white screen. Today, night vision monoculars and binoculars are the basic equipment for any night operations. Thermal devices, in essence, capture and display differences in temperature of objects. Thermal systems can operate in total darkness, but also in full daylight and are typically used for medium to long-range observation and targeting of objects. Night vision and thermal technology are complementary, and the trend goes to fused systems that combine both technologies in one device, which is something that THEON is working on.